Okay, here are several Lennox central air conditioning units at a commercial place nearby my town that I've never filmed at before. Here's this Lennox unit. And the data's faded on it. And here's this Lennox unit. It's a 2.5 ton from 2005. And then here's this Lennox unit. And I believe these units have Copeland scroll compressors. This one's also from 2005 and it's a 210. And I'll go to these units now. Over here. This area is a little bit steep, so I gotta be careful. Here's another Lennox unit. This one's a larger one. And I think it's a 5 ton from 2005. Data's really faded on it, so it's kind of hard to tell for sure, but yeah. And then here is another Lennox unit. And the data's faded on this one too. And here is a mini split unit, which is a Daikin. It is from 2022 and it's a 1.5 ton, I think. And this unit has an interesting install. And I'll go back to these ones over here. And here are these units again. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.